I put a bird feeder out here. I'm just seeing if there's any birds out here. They have to tell their friends, you know, then they'll be back. There was one out here, a bird. So they're gonna get nice, fatten up, and have a little babies or whatever. Birds, birds. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together. They promised to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hair, a golden starlight in your